Alright champs, welcome to this lecture, and we talk in this lecture about creatives. To be honest, I don't feel that good today. I feel I get maybe sick, but no one cares. Work harder. You asked for this and I will give you it. We are starting right now, but for the beginning, one disclaimer. This is just a really short version of the creative process. There's so much more to say. I could easily spend 5 hours talking about this. So why are creatives / ads the most important things for your online store? First, you think you have a problem finding winning products, but the truth is you have absolutely no idea how to build a winner. The creative is top of the funnel, first point of contact between your product and your potential customer. If you mess up the first impression, no purchase will be made. The goal is generating intention, trust building, product presentation, emotional connection, differentiation, communication of offers and promotion, addressing the target group, improve conversion rate, and of course brand building. So first part is, and this is the most important part, and 99% of you don't know how to do it, and 99% of dropshippers don't do it. And even I have seen guys that have done already 500k or 1 million in revenue like 2-3 years ago, but they can't replicate it because they never did the research. They just ripped ads off from other stores, and now they don't know why this ad worked, so they can't replicate the process. So the main goal here is to understand the customer avatar's goals, the problems, the limiting beliefs, and the stage of awareness. In which stage of awareness is your target audience? Understanding our customer stage of awareness will affect how we communicate with them, and this is one of the most important thing. If you don't understand this, if you can't tell this, then you don't, how you will communicate this in your creatives, in your ads, and in your online store. For you right now, we have 3 most relevant stages. We have the problem aware, solution aware, and product aware, and you can read it yourself. And there are a few more stages of awareness, but these are the 3 most important for you now, for beginners. And this is the video breakdown. So we have the hook, it's a scroll stopper, it's the big promise to offer. Then we show the problem, makes them open to the solution, and show things they hate, they don't like. So you have to make them problem aware. Then we show the solution, the product demonstration. We do object handling with hype, with trigger, with FOMOs, with social proofs. Then we summarize the big promise. Then we put on the offer, and then we do the call to action. So you can also try different creative block variants. Don't just write on one version. And think always about AIDA, okay? Attention, this is where we get the attention. This is interest here. Desire is here. And action is here. Think always about this. I think you learned it in universe too, like me. But it works. It still works. So what is really important about the hook, 90% of the battle takes place at the hook. The clearer, the more effective, and the key is that you can carry the message through all parts of your funnel, straightforward concept. And this is what I meant when I say you have to know where your customer stage of awareness is, and then you have to communicate it through the whole concept, from the ad to the checkout. If you promise something different in your ad than on your product page, or it just doesn't fit together, your conversion rate will suffer. This is what I see in many cases. Like a lot of guys have like a good add to cart rate, but a bad conversion rate. And this could be one reason for this. And the next step is just simple, film all the building blocks and make an exact plan which scenes you want to film. So think about your potential customer sees 2,000 to 3,000 ads a day. So how you different from the others, and yeah, think about special camera angles. And the next step is cut it fast, cut it good. Then you find viral music that fits. And what we do, we even test the same video with different music, because music can have a big impact on our emotions. I will do a case study. When this video gets like 20-30 comments, I will do a case study where we scaled a store from 0 to 600k in 60 days, and I will show you the creatives. I will just leak them, and then you will see that we really try different music, and it made a huge difference. After you have done the creative, ask yourself these questions, and after you have launched them, you just analyze the most important KPIs in your ad manager. So we start with CPC and CTR. If this is already not good, then your creative is probably not good. But if your CPC and CTR is good, but your add to cart and purchase is not good, then probably your store is not good. So this is very important to understand. Of course, we have way more KPIs, but as I said, I keep this video very short because you like more shorter videos. If you want to speak me more in detail about it, just tell me. Give me feedback if this was helpful. Hope I could help you. Have a nice weekend. See you.